Good afternoon. It is the afternoon. This morning, we went to church in a town far from here. Took about 40 minutes to get there. 45 minutes. 40 minutes. 40 minutes. We attended a traditional Latin Mass, and since today was Corpus Christi, there was a procession after the Mass, and then right before the procession ended, my family was like, yeah, you know what? Let's go. So we went, and then we stopped over at a Dunkin' Donuts for uh, a quick break. We just got back, and everyone's having lunch. I just had lunch. As you can see, today I look like a Catholic school student. This is my look. I got away with it. I'm I'm a little not used to seeing people in suits at church because we don't do that in the Philippines. People can't come in t-shirts and jeans, but here people are in suits, like suits. I don't do that. I don't do those. But at least I look formal enough. This isn't really a polo. It's a polo shirt, so it's not really a button up entirely. But anyway, I like this look. Nothing much is happening right now. I heard that we are going for bowling later, so we'll see how that goes and when it happens. Gosh, I'm so boring at vlog. Hello. We are at the mall. I'm not looking at the camera. I'm so tired. We had 2 rounds of bowling. I'm so tired. Up my eyes. And we were like, oh yeah, let's go to the mall. My sister needed to buy shoes for a dress that she now has, and well, she didn't have it coming here, so she didn't also bring a pair of shoes that would go with them. So now she has a pair. I go with the shoes. This is dragging. This is my life. We are now on our way to Bath and Body Works because I'm basic. Oh, y'all probably can't see shit. But my cousin is inside a closed Victoria's Secret. We're leaving the mall at 7 p.m. Malls in the Philippines never close at 7 p.m. They close at like 10 or midnight. 7 p.m.? It's like dinner time. Too early for this. It is currently 3 a.m. When we got home, I passed out at 7:30, and then I woke up at 1:30 because I was cold and I forgot to drink my medicine. And so I got up, I took my medicine, I also washed up and brushed my teeth, and I also finished writing my travel journal. So now I'm just gonna head back to sleep. It is exactly 3:44, and well, I need to sleep again. And yeah, that's it. I'm not gonna do a proper outro because I'm really tired. Like, subscribe.